In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive shared files. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find files others have shared with you, what the different permissions mean, and how to open a shared file from a direct link without any confusion. Start by opening your browser and going to drive.google.com. On the left side of the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a section labeled Shared with Me. Click that to open it. This area is dedicated to files and folders that other people have shared with you, so you don't need to dig through your own folders to find them. Once you're in, simply click any file or folder to open it. That's all there is to it for the main method. Inside Shared with Me, you'll notice a few helpful details. You can see all the files and folders that have been shared with you, along with who shared them and when. This helps you quickly identify the most recent items or recognize the owner. When you open something, what you can do depends on the permission the owner gave you. If you have view access, you can open and read the file. If you have comment access, you can add comments without changing the original content. If you have edit access, you can make changes directly. Those permissions are set by the owner, so your options may vary from file to file. Another common way to access a shared file is through a link. If someone sends you a share link, just click it. As long as you have the right permission, it will open in Google Drive automatically. If you see a message saying you need access, use the Request Access button to notify the owner. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Check the profile picture or initial in the top right of Drive and switch accounts if needed before trying again. A few important things to keep in mind as you work with shared content. Shared files are not owned by you. They are essentially pointers to items in someone else's drive. That means you can only do what the owner allows, and if the owner changes permissions or removes the file, your access will reflect that. Treat shared content with care and follow any guidelines the owner provides. That's it. Use Shared with Me for a quick overview of everything shared with you, and use the link method when someone sends you direct access. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.